My name is Marin and I'm 17 years old and I've been trading options for 2 weeks now. And last week on Thursday and Friday, I had two trades that made me over $8,000. Now, before I get into the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am a beginner still and I'm not a financial advisor. If you guys know a little bit about day trading and option trades, I bet you guys have seen the Lambos and Rolexes and big houses. But this is very risky and you can blow your whole entire account in a matter of minutes. So trading options is a little like day trading, but it's a lot riskier. When the price of the stock moves a little bit, the option trade moves a lot. So you can either gain a lot of money or you can lose it all. So if you guys are going to trade options, make sure to do your own research before investing. So how did I turn $700 into $8,000? Let me tell you. So if you guys don't know what option trades are, it is where you either put a call or a put in depending on where you think the stock is going to move. If it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. So a call is where you think it's going to go up, a put is where you think it's going to go down. You buy a contract saying that you think it's going to go up, and but depending on how that does, you make money. So on Thursday, I thought Tesla was going to rise because of their Q1 earnings just released the day before. So I went in, found an option trade that was worth $6.98, but you multiply that by 100 because you were buying 100 shares of that stock. The grand total of that contract is $698. So at the beginning of the day, as you guys can see on this chart right here, that it shot straight up, but it came back down and bounced off the support level that I have on my chart and then rose above it, then came back and hit this support, and then bounced all the way up until the end of the day. If you guys want to learn how to set up this chart right here, I can make another video, just comment down below. But in this video, I'm just recapping my trades. So as you guys can see that it literally went from $158 pre-market to closing at $170. So as you guys can see on my phone right here, that the market value was $2,823, so that is how much I made overall. But since I put $700 in, you subtract that. So the total profit that I made off of this trade was $2,125. This is an insane trade for me because I'm a beginner. I've only been trading for 2 weeks, and I made this in a day. So I was really stoked about this, and then the next day I got a little cocky, so I made another trade. And the second trade was on the Nvidia stock. So after I made that $2,000 on Thursday, on Friday, I decided to buy a contract that is worth $1,800. So that's basically everything that I earned from yesterday. But I decided to go all in. And thankfully, as you guys can see on this chart right here, that the price shot up to $874 and it started out at $833. I got out at $868, so I profited $6,000, but the market value was $7,868. My cost for that contract was $1,800, so if you subtract that, that's the grand total, $6,005. So the grand total of these two trades was $8,130 in profit. Again, if you guys want to learn how to set up these charts like I have it right here, these support and resistance levels, make sure to comment down below. I can make a separate video explaining how to set these up. I'm also going to have a link in my description if you guys want to sign up for Robinhood. It is the app I use to make all my option trades. So if you guys want to start, make sure to click that link and sign up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to comment down below. Peace.